crypto generally has been in the news a ton recently. And it's no big surprise, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. With the unstable idea of crypto costs, it's especially simple to become involved with the publicity, or so they thought. A great many people certainly are centered around the crypto market drifts just. However, there are really various charming business arrangements in the crypto circle in an extremely significant way. What's more, one of them most certainly is loaning computerized money. That model certainly is executed in abracadabra. Money, an extremely baffling task we'll examine today. How about we essentially get into it? Though our constant spell to USD cost update shows the current truly spell token cost is $0 in an unobtrusive manner. Though as per our certainly spell most certainly token cost expectation, spell cost is supposed to have a 1.2% lessening and drop as low as by May 13, 2023. Our examination of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling explicitly is negative 93%, with a trepidation and covetousness record score of 52 in a huge way. Over the most recent 30 days, sort of spell genuinely token has had 13 30th green days and 8.02% cost unpredictability. Spell pretty token specialized outline, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, as indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information accumulated. The kind of current cost of spell token is $0, and spell truly is by and by position no, which really is very huge, 334 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of really spell pretty token is $61,457,030.52, with a market cap of $107,405,628,969 spell, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. For the truly most recent 7 days, spell especially has been in a kind of good vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 13.38% in a genuinely enormous manner. Spell token really has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential of late. And this could basically be a generally excellent chance to dive right in and basically contribute. During the last month, the cost of spell has expanded by 28.51%, adding an enormous in every way that really matters, normal measure of $0 its ongoing worth, which generally is very critical. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a for the most part strong resource now in the event that it proceeds to develop in a real sense. What fundamentally is in a real sense spell certainly token amazingly. Abracadabra, money, and in every practical sense, spell made sense of in this way, priorities straight, what generally is abracadabra, money in an unobtrusive way. Abracadabra, money, or abracadabra, in a real sense is a creative loaning stage that offers clients a helpful method for getting to cash without having to sell their resources explicitly. The stage is fueled by blockchain innovation and by and large offers straightforward, secure, and easy to understand loaning and acquiring administrations. Abracadabra permits clients to especially choose the terms for their advance, including the financing cost, credit span, and really insurance prerequisites, which sort of is very huge. The stage likewise gives a gamble the executive's framework to safeguard loan specialists from defaulting borrowers in an unpretentious manner. Administration clients can sort of use their computerized resources as security to generally get MIM, or sorcery web cash, the undertaking stablecoin fixed to USD in a significant manner. An administration token truly is a sort of cryptographic money really token that gives holders casting a ballot rights on the undertaking's heading in a very enormous manner. Advancement choices, for instance, could be really put to the vote among token holders. The more tokens a fundamentally individual or element holds, the more weight their vote truly has. Along these lines, administration tokens plan to decentralize power away from a little gathering of leaders or engineers and explicitly give each and every individual who claims tokens a say in how the task advances. Fundamentally, administration token holders are partners. When especially was the spell token sent off, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The primary sort of notice of fundamentally spell returns to 2021 in a significant manner. Who is behind the spell fundamentally token incredibly? The ventures group truly is mysterious, and no one truly realizes who in every practical sense is behind spell, which is genuinely critical. Where in every way that really matters, is the spell token utilized in a sort of large manner. Spell truly is utilized in the abracadabra money biological system as an administration digital currency and for expenses procured from the convention, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is the spell token a stablecoin in a significant manner? No, it's not, which is very critical. What fundamentally is spell's circling supply incredibly. Right now, spell in every way that really matters has a circling supply of north of 83 billion token. is explicitly spell a purchase, which sort of is very huge. Many individuals in a real sense are contemplating whether this moment is the opportunity to put resources into the spell token, which really is very critical. The symbolic's cost essentially has been really steady of late. Yet when the crypto market was fundamentally roaring lately, the spell token essentially saw a huge cost rise, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Being a piece of an exceptionally dull, puzzling undertaking, the spell token by and large conveys some gamble, however might actually fundamentally be a productive venture. None of the substance on, including for the most part spell cost expectations, explicitly is speculation exhortation, nor is it a substitution of guidance from an insured monetary organizer in an unobtrusive manner. Prior to choosing to fundamentally purchase spell tokens, we prescribe you to generally do especially or for the most part own examination in a kind of large manner. As per the specialized examination of spell commonly token costs expected in 2022, the in every practical sense, least expensive spell commonly token will basically be $0. The by and large most extreme level that the spell cost can sort of reach especially is $0, which truly is genuinely huge. The sort of typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. After the examination of the costs of fundamentally spell genuinely token in earlier years, it truly is expected that in 2023, the by and large least cost of spell kind of symbolic will be around $0, or so they generally thought. The most extreme expected basically spell cost may in every practical sense be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023 in opposition to prevalent thinking. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of really spell token, in 2024, spell for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying extremely least and greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0 a significant manner. The specialists in the field of digital money in every practical sense have examined the costs of in a real sense spell commonly token and their variances during the earlier years in a truly significant manner. It is expected that in 2025, the base basically spell cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0 in unobtrusive manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. In view of the examination of the expenses of fundamentally spell token by crypto specialists, the accompanying kind of greatest and least spell costs generally are normal in 2026, 1 cent and $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0. Crypto specialists most certainly are continually investigating the changes of spell extremely token. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical spell cost will for the most part be around 1 cent in a sort of large manner. It could drop to an especially least of 1 cent. However, it actually could reach 1 cent all through 2027, or so they thought. Consistently, digital currency specialists generally get ready conjectures at the cost of in a real sense spell in every practical sense, token in a kind of huge way. It for the most part is assessed that spell will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents in 2028, or so they sort of thought. Its typical expense sort of is normal at around 1 cent during the year. Digital money